What's going on, guys? We're going to be replacing the OLED on this iPhone X. This is not an XS, it's a regular X with an original refurbished screen. So let's get to it. Volume up, volume down, hold power button, power it off. I'm going to go ahead and remove the bottom Pentelobe screws. Grab your jimmy, go in from the side, gently lift, take your time, do it gently. It does have adhesive, so it's a little harder to remove, but when you do it gently and take your time, it's not that hard. This one, the screen's separating. I guess that's why they damaged the OLED. Okay, we're going to remove these tri-point screws. Going to remove this plate. Put all these screws in order. The ones that I just took out, they're all different sizes and they need to go back into where they came out of. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the screen. Disconnect the earpiece speaker. Gently lift up. It does have a little bit of adhesive on it. I'm going to remove these 3 screws, all different sizes. Please put them in order. Remove the earpiece speaker. Be careful not to damage this. You damage this, you will lose Face ID. They're linked together. Let's go ahead and copy our data. This is usually a 1-second thing. It's just the angle I have it in for you guys to see. Well, this one doesn't have any data on it, so whoever replaced the screen on this one didn't take the time to do that. We can retract the data, but the customer's trading it in, so doesn't care for it. Let's grab our new screen. This is an original OLED refurbished screen. Remove the film. These screens are from iGemsusa.com. iGemsusa.com. He is a refurbisher. If you guys need any original refurbished screens or refurbish your screens, he's the guy to go to. Remember, these screws are all different sizes, so they do have to go into where they came out of. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the earpiece, the screen, digitizer. This connector controls your touch. Connect the battery. Let's test out the screen. Now, this customer said they're having issues with Face ID, but it was slightly disconnected when I was pulling it, so it came out fairly easy. So let's go ahead and see if that's fixed, if we don't get a message. Rebooted. Test the touch. Randomly just pressed up, see if everything's picking up. Delete, cancel. We're good. Let's go ahead and put our plate back on. Remember, these screws are supposed to be in order. Look how tiny this one is. Another tiny one. Look how much longer this one is. Goes in the middle. Tiny one goes right next to it. And then we got our final long one, goes all the way in the end. Line the front top up. The flex needs to be tucked in underneath the housing. You don't want to pinch it. Of course, it's going to grab my glove. We're all set. Put your Pentelobe screws on and we are complete. Please like and subscribe for more repair videos. And we will do something else in the next video.